Good afternoon and welcome to today's class. So today we're going to learn more about mass wasting. So topic 5 is all about mass wasting. As you can remember in our previous lesson, we mentioned a few things about mass wasting. So we'll start with what is mass wasting. So mass wasting is also called mass movement, which refers to the downslope movement of weathered rock materials and soil under the influence of gravity. Unlike erosion, mass wasting does not involve a transporting media like water, wind, or ice. So it refers to the downslope movement of weathered rock materials and soil under the influence of gravity. It is an exogenic process and plays a major role in reshaping slopes and contributing sediments to rivers and valleys. So the key concepts in mass wasting include gravity is the main driving force behind mass wasting. It occurs after weathering has weakened rocks or soil. The speed of movement can vary from very slow or soil creep to very rapid landslides or rock falls. So types of mass wasting include mass wasting is classified based on speed and material involved. The four major types are there's slow movements and there's rapid movements. So we'll start with the soil creep. They are very slow movement of soil downhill, almost unnoticeable, but causes bending of trees trunks, tilting of fences or poles, often occurs on gentle slopes and in moist conditions. Number two, there is solifluction, occurs in cold areas where the topsoil thaws in summer and slides over frozen subsoil, common in tundra regions. Rapid movements, there is landslides. Sudden and fast movement. Landslides refers to the sudden and fast movement of large amounts of soil and rock, triggered by heavy rain, earthquake, deforestation, or volcanic activity which causes great destruction to roads, homes, and lives. Rockfall. This is free fall of loosened. So we are talking about rapid movements. So rockfall, free fall of loosened rocks from steep cliffs or slopes, common in mountainous areas. Rocks accumulate at the base as a talus or scree creeps or slopes. Mud flow refers to the flow of water, saturated soil, and debris, usually down a channel, fast moving and highly destructive, common in semi-arid areas after heavy rainfalls. Debris, this is similar to mud flow but contains large rock fragments. It can carry trees, cars, and buildings. Earth flow, it is more viscous, which means it's more thicker. Flow of fine-grained material like clay moves slower than mud flows. Slump, movement of material along curved surfaces. The slope appears to slump or rotate downward. Factors influencing mass wasting, the slope angle. Steeper slopes have high risk of mass wasting occurring. Water content, water adds weight and reduces friction, hence mass movement occurring. Soil type, loosened or withered material moves more easily. Vegetation, roots hold soil together. Deforestation increases risk of mass wasting. Human activities like road construction, mining, deforestation, destabilized slopes can lead to mass wasting. Uh, Earthquakes can trigger landslides. Weathering can weaken rocks and soil, making slopes unstable, hence mass wasting occurring. Effects of mass wasting. It has positive and negative effects. So the positive effects include creates terraced landscapes, contributes to soil formation, supplies sediments to the river systems. Negative effects include loss of life and property. destruction of infrastructure like roads, railways, and all that. Environmental degradation like loss of soil, deforestation, and all that. Disruption of farming and settlement areas. Mass wasting, control, and management. So there's afforestation, which is the planting trees to stabilize slopes. So that is one of the mass wasting and control management formulas. There's drainage control, removing excess water from slopes, retaining walls, supporting unstable slopes, slope grading, reducing steepness, avoiding construction on unstable or steep land. So basically, this is the summary of the whole topic of the mass wasting, and that marks the end of the topic mass wasting or mass movement. Thank you for listening.